the nice surface finish or the better surface finish quality, the edge quality, the diameter stability, the cycle time improvements with the new software. So that's all combined into one machine, and that's why we have brought the MicroX ULTRA to the market. Hello, my name is Thompson Matthew, and I am one of the product managers from ANCA. ANCA is a manufacturer of CNC tool and cutter grinders. We have celebrated 50 years of industry last year. We are in hall number 11, F34. Please do come and visit us so that we can take you through all the new products on display.